Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Punta tayo sa elyu today.
Day travels na.
Sana i-chat mo na ako.
We're here!
Parang nangyayari.
Huh?
So excited!
the people? Like, what?
Where's the hot people? Hello! Yes, naka-check-in din kami. First time ni Jello sa Flotsam.
Yes.
What's your first impression so far?
It's really gnarly.
First time din ni Cam. Are you excited?
So
So
excited!
excited. What are you most excited about?
The people, really? It's for the experience. For the expo. Saan yung coffee? Teka, saan muna yung coffee?
Wait lang kasi, pwede bang let's admire the
Okay.
view? Ano yung coffee? Ano yung coffee? I think it's that one.
Ow!
What?
Gogi, ang sakit!
Gagi, oo, gagi. Ito ka alin.
Ang sakit ng buhangin.
Oo.
Ang init.
Oo.
Parang siya hindi lang natutuwa.
Parang naglalakad ako sa may bagaw.
I'm just having fun.
Hindi ka kapag-training.
Ang saya ko. I'm so happy. Ay, ang cute may sunnies. Thank you.
Spoon, nice if you want.
So much. Mas maganda pala to kasi may sagi.
Sarap.
Could you pass me the spoon?
Here. Ayaw
Sakong-sabi.
mo?
Masarap yung sa Harlan.
Tulog na siya.
Ay! With the reading.
Yeah.
Ese cuerpito que tú tienes, traje baño chiquitito te queda.
6, 7, 8. Yeah. Go, room tour. So this is
Girl, this
the...
is incorrect.
This is not... room tour pa na sa ligaw. Ay, game. Nag-room tour kami pero hindi namin mahanap yung room. Marami kasing rooms dito sa Flotsam and Jetsam. Hindi namin mahanap yung room namin. Oh my God.
So yun na.
Yun nga ata. How are you enjoying so far? Thanks, Kuya.
So here's our room. This is where we live for the rest of the
summer.
LU trip. Hey everyone! So this is my bed, Haydn's bed, a stranger's bed, and Cammy's.
Yay. Okay, let's go some room. Hi guys, so it's currently, I don't know what time, like magpa 5, and we're gonna do a little photo shoot sa beachfront. Look. Strawberry.
Mas malasin strawberry.
Mm-mm. nga eh. Parang
There's nothing mango in it.
artificial yung pagka-mango niya.
Ah.
Are you excited?
I am.
Let's go. Look at this. El Chapo. Parang sikat din ata yan.
What's their language here?
Ilocano? Tanong tayo.
If you like me, blink twice.
Are you naughty or nice? Ooh, look at that! Uy, may outside sila.
Coffee tayo ba?
Coffee tayo, iced coffee lang.
Ah,
Or
sige. Like one lang, tapos
to go.
aesthetic.
For
Siyempre, mag-photos
here.
naman tayo. Hindi naman to go, pero... Ay, for here, pero to go.
Wow, so nice.
It's fine.
Thanks. I'll get the next one. Ay, video lang. That's what I got.
Wait, I want to take aesthetic photos.
Okay, so nagpa-reserve na kami sa Kabsat. Apparently, sobrang daming taong nakapila.
So, what do we think about couples who are podcast?
If you could describe elyu in one word, what would it be?
I'm thinking of like wood aesthetic.
Wood?
When it's like every time I think of Flotsam, it's like I can think of like brown wood, plywood vibes,
Parang
earthy,
yeah.
neutral color vibes.
It's not a mango shake type of beach.
Oo, hindi
Diba?
hindi nga.
It's a iced coffee type of beach.
So far, as what I can see, the people here are chill.
Chill lang.
Parang calm lang. Parang walang maingay, walang ano. Tapos yung mga magpa 5 p.m. na, meron na maingay. Madaming tao, but
Pero,
hindi siya,
kalmado sila.
oo, kalmado sila. May nagpa-volleyball, pero hindi,
Oo, hindi sila yung...
Uy, yung jump shot ko ba yung something? Sa bagay na try photo naman. Pero,
Hello! Okay, it's night time. Magdi-dinner na kami sa Kabsat. Dami pa na nating food. Sarap ng kare-kare. Sarap ng kare-kare.
Yo, Kabsat, are you alive?
Good morning. It is day 2 here in Flotsam, La Union. Tulog po yung mga kasama ko. It's 8:30 a.m. Gusto ko punta sa beach. Then, breakfast. Let's go. I got toast, egg, butter and jam. Kain tayo, guys. So, kahapon, pumunta kami sa Clean Beach. Doon kami nag-breakfast. Pero I wouldn't advise going there kasi 1 hour 30 minutes yung serving time nila, which is too long. It's just too long. So, I would recommend Flotsam. Like, Flotsam pa rin talaga. I've been going here sa La Union for, I think this is my 4th time here. Out of all the experiences I've had, Flotsam pa rin talaga yung the best. I mean, look at this. It's so nice here. Ang dami nilang areas where you can just chill. Tapos beachfront. Ito yung part na hindi super matao. Unlike dun sa gitna, na yung may mga Union Coffee. Medyo marami yung tao dun, but here it's a little bit quieter. Tapos may restaurant din pala dito sa Flotsam. So I ordered this. And ang bilis ng serving time. Good choice. Good decision. Ito pa pala, oh my God. Yesterday, pumunta kami sa Kabsat. Sobrang haba rin ang pila. I think more than 2 hours kami nasa waiting list. And then, nung pagpasok namin, there was this party, there was this DJ. It wasn't giving eh. It wasn't, the music was not giving. They were playing like Boogie Wonderland. Come on. Like, ba't naman ganun? I don't wanna dance to Boogie Wonderland. I don't wanna dance to something September. Pero no regrets naman sa Kabsat kasi masarap naman yung food. Next time, baka better na lunch na lang sa Kabsat because they really have good food naman, to be fair. Still, no regrets, I guess. May onting regret, but yeah.
What do you say?
Saan?
Of service.
Thanks. Thanks, Jello, for being so... Ang hirap eh, hindi ako words. What's your love language again?
All.
No. Which is the most prominent one? You're gonna rank.
All.
Ako, love language ko. Gifts. It shows that, oh, you know me so well. What about you, Dan?
Quality time. Ay, bawiin ko na. Feeling ko quality time parang gusto kong...
Language ko, words of affirmation. Kasi as a child,
Madali siyang pekein.
You know
Na...
what, that is kind of true. Kaya prone ako sa... You know what, that is kind of true.
Ulit. How could you even manipulate the quality time? You're there.
Meron kasi mga tao na they don't need the quality time. Kumari, may boyfriend ako. Okay na sa akin kahit 1 minute lang kami nila.
yes,
There's
kasi lahat
that
naman
meaning.
nag-exist sa...
Hindi din mo.
Yes, kasi lahat naman ng love language na yun
They coexist.
nag-exist together.
With that being said, I move to close the nomination.
I second the motion.
Hi guys, we're going home na-ish. Dadaan muna kami sa El Union Coffee. Are you sad to go?
Yeah, Flotsam, you'll stay in my heart. You're like part of my what ifs.
Because what if?
And what could have been.
Ayaw mo yun, may mystery and there's little room for uncertainty.
And you know what I say? Embrace the uncertainty.
Exactly.
But I'm secured with myself, so I know it's just gonna be there.
It's just there
It will
waiting for us.
Yeah, waiting for us.
Next
It will-
Thank you. So good.
We only have an hour.
I'm so happy. Gusto ko nga eh. Actually, hindi ko na kaya ko kumama. Where's Kami? Hi, Kami! Taste this. Sobrang sarap. Sorry, may lipstick. Okay lang. Ang sarap, di ba? Dulce gatas.
Let me try.
It's so good.
Nalagyan mo pa rin syrup.
Hindi na, ang tamis na niya.
Tamis, oo, nakakagising. Lasang ano?
Para sa
Evap na may, na may yema.
Oh my God, patikim ng horchata.
Emma. Mas maraming ang tao sa side.
So.
Really? Sabi na niya masarap eh. Horchata.
Sarap naman siya, pero
Wait,
naunahan kasi ito eh.
Pa-hold, please.
Masasarap to.
Told you. Yung parang sumakses.
Kasi ito,
Diba?
sabong honey bagoong fried chicken. Let's taste it.
My first hand model.
Oh, BTR.
Yes. Yes.
Show the product. Show the product. Kain. Yummy. Shock dapat. Okay, wow. Okay. And then say the line.
Ayun, napalabas na yung araw.
Yummy.
So romantic. Look at the lipstick mark. So ito na nga. Going home.
Bye, elyu.
Bye, elyu. Bye, elyu. Okay lang ba yan sa'yo, ma? Uy, ang cute oh. May may iPad.